Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today is Friday and we'll talk about the ECB meeting minutes that will be giving us the direction of how Euro is going, and you should there's something that you should buy, no matter ETF or futures. There's a chance out there about the forex market and gold. So we'll talk about the meeting first. So the meeting there mainly there are 4 points. Roughly, they're almost talking about the CPI. The inflation is pretty much ideal, and they will keep the CPI at 2% level. And then the main point is the last point. The fourth point, the last point is that the members of the ECB, almost all agree that the appreciation of euro. The appreciation of the euro is like that. See, from euro to USD from 1.04 to like 1.2. Okay, so the appreciation is almost 20%. Okay, and they think that the impact on the economy is not as bad as we think. So that means that they're telling the market, telling us that go ahead euro, let's long euro and have long position and buy euros. That's the key. Okay, so you see after the this afternoon, you see this candlestick is longer and longer. Right now, euro to US dollar is now 1.21. Okay, so I think that in short terms, if you're looking for leverage and future stuff like that, it's short term. Okay, if you're looking for ETF, it's kind of mid to long term. That's another story. And in short term, I think you should buy it. You think, but you would say that you would ask, is it too late because it's gone up really fast? Okay, I'll tell you again. The signal shows this is the day one of breaking through the triangle here. It's the first day. If you decide not to buy it, then don't buy it. If you decide what you have to buy it, that's today. Not tomorrow, it's today. Because the more you procrastinate, the risk and return, the profit and loss ratio will be distorted. Okay, so let me go to the weekly chart. So as you can see, long before the Brexit things and stuff like that, you can see a huge head and shoulder pattern existing here in the weekly chart. Here. So this is the trend is like that. So after that, it has a huge drop, meaning that there's a market consensus that the euro will drop like crazy. So the target hasn't reached, right? So now it could be just a rebound, hitting the neckline, this black line, and then coming back down. So going back to daily chart, so you can see let me zoom out. Okay, so this is the first level, the first resistance that it may hit this and break almost historic low again. Okay, so the first target should be 1.22, 1.23 around this level, and then the second round is like that. We can look at the long-term weekly chart. It's the triangle like that. From the top, this point, and then we have the third point, and we have the fourth point coming. So whenever there are only 2 points, it's not a line. It mathematically works, but in the chart, there's 4 of 2 points things, right? So if there are 3 points, for sure, it's a line. It's a resistance. It's a big resistance. So if we zoom into today, the second thing is here. The first line is like that, and let me zoom in. If you confused, you can look at this video again. So the first target is here. The second target is here, and there's the target. Whenever there's a triangle breaking through, there's a target. The target is around a little bit more than the black line here. So the first target is 1.22. The second target is 1.235 around this level. So if you are only looking at this target and you set a cut loss of breaking within back into the triangle, meaning if you break down below this line, it's around 1.205. That's your cut loss level. So the ratio of buying it now, the profit and loss ratio is only 1 to 1. So if you only looking at this target, it's not really a bad deal for you to invest. But if you look at this target or more, it's around 2 to 1. That's pretty good. So if you're doing ETF, it's kind of more stable. If you're doing futures, I suggest you look at this level first. Whenever you can take profit, take profit. But if it comes back down and breaking below this line and going back in within the triangle, that's bad. So you know, more than 50% of you will be influencing the US dollar. Okay, so before that, remind you that I really want to long the US dollar, but in the end the neckline has been destroyed and coming back down, and there's another head and shoulder pattern here, and then it came back up only within 3 days. We always say 3 days. Okay, within 3 days it comes back down, and now in the Asia Pacific hours, it has a really big bearish candlestick, and now it's been breaking all the ratios of this wave. Okay, so I believe that there's a strong belief that the bottom of 91.01 will be broken, so it will challenge the new low again. So with that being said, you can also have short position in US dollar basket, but the easiest way you can purchase any gold or gold ETF of this asset, the gold. So right now I would say that 1330 is the big target. So if you've been looking at this watching this channel, you should be profiting in gold. But if it keeps on staying before about 1330, the second target will be $1,350 per ounce. That is the short-term analysis. So any more update, I'll update you guys in the same channel. So remember to subscribe this channel, to like the Facebook page. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, and also share this video to your friends. If this my analysis is about statistics, it's not about emotion and EQ, then that's a compliment for me. It's about statistics, about homework. So you can do that. Leave me any comments if you have anything to add or anything to ask. I will see you next time. Goodbye.